看他山之上，紐西蘭嘅專題報道，全世界現家係有差唔多6000種嘅語言。有調查研究講，50%到1半嘅語言會喺100年內消失。有毛利語言專家還講，再過50年，毛利語可能會滅絕。1987年通過毛利語言法過後，紐西蘭政府咪開始推行毛利語。現家2年幾多大學研究所都有毛利語嘅課程，還成立了3間毛利大學，都會希望增加講毛利語嘅人口。喺紐西蘭嘅許多大學都有毛利嘅相關部門同相關課程，也係喺威靈頓嘅維多利亞大學，而家一群1年生嘅學生嘅呢，然後都係睇好毛利嘅相關課程，係睇過貼片嘅教師度，也係做嘅像錄音嘅設備堂，嘛係強用。有嘅學生嘅呢，伊從細都係對毛利嘅學校開始嘅，唔過也有嘅學生嘅，伊係來到大學那開始學毛利化嘅。
The class that you observed today was for the students who have already spoken Māori for a while, and so we do try and conduct as much of the class as we can in Māori, just so they get used to that being the language of the classroom. At the beginning of the year, it's quite difficult for them. They definitely find it a challenge. Some of them also take a little while to get used to my particular way of speaking, my accent or my language mannerisms, and so yeah, but they soon get used to it.
唔可能會想講毛利語是係少數，學嘅人應該唔會幾多。唔過其實有興趣嘅人係唔會少，同時學生嘅地位許多唔係毛利語。
Yeah, it's interesting learning different things like that you didn't know that you should know before. But yeah, no, it's good.
Well, I want to be fluent in the Māori language because to be part of the revival of the language and make sure it survives, but also because it can be valuable for a career if you're looking for a career in New Zealand. I want to have a career in politics, and it could be quite useful in that.
And lots of tourists in New Zealand who really want to learn Māori language too, which is quite funny. In my what's called my MA 101 class, which is the class for people absolute beginners in Māori language, I'd say maybe, I don't know, 30% of the class, 30 or 40% perhaps, are not Māori. Yeah, so a large number.
毛利語 TV 提示，因為印度人想要來學，當然歸學。唔過想增加用毛利語做第二語言來學嘅人係唔難嘅。我有韓國到毛利語，從細路生活喺模擬環境，語言能使得上學下去。聽過嘢都帶唔向下去看毛利語嘅模擬錄製人語言島。個新聞分享者吳一勇喺紐西蘭嘅採訪報道。